Who do I sue? And this shit is warming up. Y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to be reviewing the heating cap from Shein. But to start off, I'm making a homemade mask. This Cala leave-in conditioner slash conditioner. It's a 2-in-1 treatment, and this specific one is green coffee and Cuba. It is a Brazilian product, but it is supposed to be great for the hair. And to add extra moisture, I just added some plain yogurt, and we all know yogurt has some great benefits to the hair. Now, before we put the heating cap on, the instructions said apply the mask to wet hair, but my hair is damp because of the mask, so I felt like I didn't need to add any extra water, so it's not dripping down my head or burning me, because this will get hot. And I just like to apply it all over my head and my roots, and I like to give myself a scalp massage as I'm applying it, so my hair can absorb it really greatly. I had my hair out last week, and since I am washing it for this week, I have to go in thoroughly and detangle each section, just because the back of my hair gets these little knots and they're very hard to untangle. I'm being very generous with the product, just because I have a feeling that it will drip down my neck while it's in the heating cap, which it will burn. I hope it doesn't do that. So I am being very careful to just apply it to my roots and drag it down to the ends. And I put extra amount on the end, so when it does sit in the heating cap, all that moisture can just take care of the ends of my hair, because they could use some deep conditioner for real. And as per usual, we can't forget the eyebrows, because what would we look like without these things? I just did my nails a few days ago, and I don't want to get my hands stained, so I decided to use gloves in this video. But from now on, I really think I am going to start using gloves. But back to Shein. They are promising for $6.60, because I had a few discounts, that this little gadget works. And what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to be a heating cap that moisturizes and, penetrates your hair strand. And your girl loves moisture, because moisture for me means length retention and growth. This is also great at promoting blood flow to the scalp, and because of the heat from the cap, I would recommend using this only once a week. So I have a shower cap. I put that on. I read that the description that it had a string, so you're supposed to tie the string around the head so it fits perfectly. Third step is to plug it up. Now, disclaimer: if you thought you was gonna get different temperatures, be wary, you won't. It only has 2 settings, on and off. When you reach on only has 2 settings. It's high and low, which means low is medium and high is really high. But trust me, the smell of this will make you forget all of that.
So I've plugged in now, and I'm burning an incense, so I think that's the smell of burning that I'm smelling. But I'm excited and I'm nervous, because do I sue Shein? And it's on high. No turning back, no. But I guess I gotta do it this way. This shit is hot, y'all. And then it has this string. I'm gonna tighten it. I don't like how low this is. And I don't want it to be too low where it's like dangling off my head. Alright, God, make this work for me, because I want... Y'all, the string is not long. This wire is not long. But this is on hot. It's pretty warm. I could feel it. I felt it before I even put it on. see you guys in about 45 minutes to an hour.
I paid for my own product, so if you want to take the risk, pay for yours. When it started getting scalding hot, I really realized that this was worth my $6.60. And it was really cheap. My hair absolutely loved it. And look at the moisture. I was trying to preserve it by putting my cap on. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.